Today we'll be talking about Fabric native components. So this is also a part of new architecture in React Native. We will be only talking about for Android in this video. So what you have to do is, so I'm just following the documentation, but there is a huge bug in the documentation which I have encountered. I have also requested and raised an MR for this on their documentation website GitHub repo. Let's see, it is not merged yet, but yeah, let's see. First is the folder setup. So here is your app. Again, I have created this RTN center text inside my app. They have created it outside. um, I don't know why. Maybe because they want to open, they are thinking that whenever we are creating a native component, we might want to open source it, but in my case I'm not going to. So yeah, that's why I have created inside the my app folder. So I'll go. So this is our project. All right, and here I have created RTN center text. Inside that I have created Android and JS folder. Okay, I'm ignoring iOS for now in this video. Next, what you have to do is that you have to create RTN center text native component.ts file. So inside the JS folder you have to create, make sure the name is correct. It should be same as the folder name. So RTN center text followed by the native component.ts. So naming is very important if when creating turbo module or fabric. So we are creating a label, so it would be a native label like text view on Android, or the label, I think UI label on iOS. So we just want to pass a text from React Native to the native side and just display that native view inside our React Native view. So I will be passing just the text property. Everything else remains the same. You can copy paste this code for now, and if you are trying to create a new component on your own, all you have to do is change this text to whatever property you want and change this name. Okay, next you have to create package.json. Okay, so I have just copy pasted this entire file. I have created this package.json inside RTN center text folder, copy pasted everything. Again, if you are make sure your name matches, so this should be RTN dash center dash text in my case. For this here as well, this can be anything as well as in here as well. Okay, once that is done, so I will ignore iOS for now. So in Android you have to create src main java com rtn center text package.java. So I have created something like this: Android src main java com rtn center text.java, as well as we also need build.gradle. So you see build.gradle as well. Update the build.gradle. Again, I have copy pasted build.gradle. Make sure this name is correct for you. Copy pasted build.gradle over here. Okay, next is I have created the center text package. Okay, copy pasted this entire code, center text package, copy pasted everything. Okay, then the native code. Okay, I will ignore iOS for now. So in Android, first you have to enable the new architecture. So just search for new arc enabled. You will go to the gradle.properties, make sure this is equal to true. Next, as we have added RTN center text inside app folder, you have to use a single dot instead of double dots. If you have added it outside the my app folder or outside your project folder, add double dots, but I will just add a single dot slash RTN center text. Then this command does not run directly in my terminal, so I had to open the Android folder. So I will tell you which Android folder. This Android folder, and not the one which we have created in RTN center text. The main Android folder, open it in Android Studio, then open the terminal of your Android Studio and then run this. Okay, if this is successfully run, you can check inside node modules, search for RTN center text. So RTN center text Android, you should see this build folder. This is kind of like CodeGen. Okay, next, okay, so they have mentioned about this CodeGen over here. Then here we have to do center text.java, center text package.java. Okay, I will come back. Now I have told you about there would be a bug, right? I will show you where the bug is exactly. So create this file, center text.java, center text package.java. In center text I have just copy pasted the entire code. So what they are basically doing is that they are extending the text view. Again, this is wrong. If you open this in Android Studio, it will tell you that you should extend, I think, app compat text view, something like this, but text view is fine, I guess. Okay, so but if you open it in Android Studio, wait, I'll tell you, app src main java. I think when you open the Android folder, there is this RTN center text folder opened as well. Like, I can show you it. This is a little confusing on how they have named the directory. So here you can see, okay, it is text view. Okay, maybe I was wrong. So you can see there is this RTN center text. I'm not sure where this is coming from. I think it is coming from the node modules. So you see, this is giving you an error saying that you can keep it as text view, but I would recommend changing it to app compat text view, something like this. But anyways, it's fine. Okay, then copy paste this. We are setting a background color to the text view of red and setting the gravity as well. Okay, in center text package you have to add this line, center text manager. Okay, and in center text manager, where, so the bug is in the center text manager. So if you come over here, it says that I have copy pasted this entire code, but this should not be RTN center text. It should be only center text. If you write RTN center text, you will get an error saying undefined symbols. So I will just scroll through this file slowly. You can pause the video and copy paste this code. Only this thing should be RTN center text. This is should be RTN center text manager interface. Whereas wherever only, so in whatever places you have center text, it should be only center text and not RTN center text. But in documentation they have shown it that it should be RTN center text, which is wrong. I think this would be RTN center text if this file names was RTN center text, but here it is only center text, so you should write center text over here. Okay, you can copy paste this code. This should be center text, this should be center text, this should be center text. So if you check, they have everywhere they have written RTN center text, RTN center text, which is incorrect. It should be only center text. Okay, next they are telling us to add this line. So add this line, then again add RTN center text. So yarn add dot slash, in our case it should be dot slash. If you have followed the documentation, it should be double dot slash, and then you can just run your project. It may take a little bit of time. Yeah, before that, how to include this view inside your React Native view. You can just import something like RTN center text from this RTN center text -js slash RTN center text native component, and use something like this. So we have, if you remember, we have defined the text property. Inside that you can pass whatever you want, give style whatever you want. So here I can show you app.tsx. So this is the RTN center text, and I'm using it like this, and you can just run your app. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.